All right, everyone. Welcome to this. All right, everyone. Welcome to this exercise. We're given the needle and we're asked to find the needle in this haystack. Like we have sad in sad, but sad. I'm supposed to give the index of the first time it actually appears. So I'm supposed to go through the haystack with our needle. And the first time, that section of the haystack is equals to the full needle. Then I think I'm going to stop at that point. So as usual, use a for loop to traverse our array. Things here stack I'm using. So when I'm going through, I say if needle point if the first letter of the needle is equals to the first letter of that letter I am on, a stack is the letter I'm on. If that and a stack. So the substring at that point, so starting from I and taking the full length of the needle. So if the substring at that point equals needle. So if the substring at that point is equals the needle, then return I. If not, just continue going. So it's going to continue, and if he finds a letter, okay, it's because the first letter he checks. So the first time this happens, going to return I. But if this does not happen at all, it's going to return -1. You run that and see. Okay, first time it happens, it return I. But the test cases are usually trivial. It's always a problem when we come now to the real cases, because looking at it in this situation now, if the needle is longer than the haystack, this thing is going to, like the rest of the haystack that is remaining, this thing is going to give us a serious error. How do we defend against that? Mhm. So so if so if I'm a haystack point length, if haystack point length minus I, like what is left is less than so on the foot element. If the haystack point length -1 minus I, sorry. Okay. Like if I is if there are 5 elements and I is 3, that means a stack point length equals to 5 minus 4 minus 1 will be 4 minus 3 will be 1. Okay, this is accurate. If this is less than needle point length, don't continue, just break. Then continue, break this loop and go and return -1. Run this again and see whether it causes a problem. No problem. So let's submit this and see what we'll come up with. Okay, internet is a bit slow. Okay, like this is what I was expecting. So I expected 0, but the output was -1 because, let me put less than or equal to. Oh, let me remove this -1. I think it is there. Run this again. And now I submit. There are a lot of test cases, so you have to make sure. Okay, it passed and it gave extremely high speed. Once again, guys, we are at the top, even though only we got 10% of people, 9% of people beat us in memory usage, but we beat most of the people in speed. Most of the people who have taken this exercise. So, very good, guys. So, as usual, guys, subscribe, like and subscribe. I'm going to enlarge this so you see the code. So, what we did is we went through the haystack, and if the needle at some point was larger than the haystack, stop. That means we will no longer see anything from there. But if the needle was not larger than the haystack and found the first letter of the needle is equal to that letter, and we checked again, the rest, that's using, like, we took a substring from that letter following the length of the needle and it was equals to the needle, then we'll stop at that point. We'll just return that index. We don't need to continue. That's what made the code real fast, because we will not go through the full length of the array. So thank you, guys. This is full code. Thank you very much for following. Please like and share. Just like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.